It's time once again to ask Dr. Science. So let's ask Dr. Science.
That's me.
Remember, he knows more than you do.
That's right.
Peggy Kreimer from Oberlin, Ohio sends this small but quite aromatic envelope with this question, Dr. Science. Dear Dr. Science, I'm a clerk typist at a small Midwestern college. What is the stuff that clogs A's in typewriters? What is it made of? How does it grow?
It's a fungus. The so-called QWERTY fungus originated as an extreme form of botulism resulting from the substandard canning of alphabet soup. A crazed IBM employee dumped this soup on the Selectric assembly line while under the satanic influence of the Procter & Gamble logo. Now that Procter & Gamble are losing this logo and computers are replacing analog with digital, this problem should clear itself up.
Thank you, Dr. Science.